Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to remove object from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. For example, I'm going to remove this text from my video. First, we're going to duplicate this video so we can right click on it and then we can select copy and then paste it. Or actually, you can also add the same video as an overlay. And then guys, I'm going to put mask on the video. We're going to go to the video menu, select mask and add mask right here and choose the shape of the mask that you want. And then you're going to take another part of the video to cover the unwanted object. I'm going to take this part and go back to the basic, and then you're going to cover it with the mask. You can keep adjusting until you're satisfied. And to make it more natural, you can adjust the feather. Go back to the mask and you're going to scroll down and you'll see the feather menu. Okay, adjust it a little bit. Okay, done. I think it looks better than before. And you can also adjust the brightness, the lightness. I'm going to go to the adjustment and I'm going to scroll down and I'm going to adjust the, hold on, the exposure. Let's try it. Okay, just adjust it a little bit and this is the final result. And I know guys that this method maybe can't be applied to all types of video, especially when the watermark or the object is moving, but at least you know the basic tutorial on how to remove object from your video. Okay guys, and that's all for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.